Introduction. Want to earn money while you sleep? Affiliate marketing is the key. In this video, I'll show you how to get started. No experience needed. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide for beginners. Part 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote products and earn commissions. Find a product, share a link, and get paid when someone buys. How it works. Promote a product on your blog or YouTube. Someone clicks, makes a purchase, and you earn money. It's that easy. Why it's great for beginners. No product creation, no customer service. Just promote and earn. Part 2. Choosing a niche. Picking a niche. First, choose a niche. This is your focus area. Tips for choosing. 1. Passion. Pick something you love. 2. Demand. Make sure people are interested. 3. Profitability. Choose a niche that can make money. Popular niches. Health, tech, and finance are great options. Part 3. Finding affiliate programs. Where to find programs. Next, join affiliate programs. Try Amazon, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. What to look for. Check the commission rate, product relevance, and payout threshold. Signing up. Sign up is easy. Fill out your info and get your unique links. Part 4. Creating content that converts. Why quality content matters. Now create content. This is how you'll drive sales. Types of content. 1. Reviews. Share your honest opinion. 2. Guides. Teach something useful. 3. Comparisons. Help people choose the best option. SEO and keywords. Use keywords to rank higher in search. More views, more clicks, more money. Part 5. Promoting your content. Social media. Share your content on social media. Reach more people. Email marketing. Build an email list. Send newsletters with your links. Paid ads optional. Consider paid ads. They can boost traffic fast. Part 6. Tracking and optimizing your results. Tracking performance. Track your clicks and sales. Learn what works. Split testing. Try different headlines or calls to action. Small changes can make a big difference. Scaling up. See success? Create more content and explore new niches. Keep growing. Outro affiliate marketing works. Stay consistent and you'll see results. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.